Alright, this is probably the last wheel of the day. This one, you can see it doesn't have much curb rash. It's got some scraping, but you can see where, again, they painted previously on a repair and didn't clear, so all that paint is gone. So we'll just sand all this up and get it ready for paint. Again, 320. That's all we're going to need here. Alright, well, I'm prepping this for paint. If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, that would help a ton, and I'd appreciate it. Also, if there's something you're looking for, I do a lot of wheels, so if there's something specific you're looking for, put that in the comments, and I'll make a video the next time I come across one. Now we're just going to clean this up and get it ready for paint. You want to keep the spray gun angled away from the caliper. You don't want to paint a red caliper silver for sure. Just angle back towards the shield here. If you do paint it, you can clean it off with some lacquer thinner. It comes right off when it's fresh anyway.